Welcome to another Knorish tutorial. In this video, we show you how to create assessments for your course. So once you click on Publisher, you reach the course page. After you click Edit, you would see the course edit page where you can add content. Since the course already exists, you can directly click on Unit 1, and then click on the plus button to add the assessment. Once done, click on Add Content from here and you would see 4 options. Click on Assessment and then enter the assessment title and click on the Create/Update Assessment button. On the next page, you are looking at the assessment creator. Add a description to the assessment and then click on plus sign to add questions. Once the first question has been written, on the right you can choose which of the options will be the right answers. Then click on the hint button and you can leave a hint for the answer, and the marks button allocates the score for the right answer. You can also create questions with a single answer as well. This is great for close-ended questions with a single answer. Similarly, you can also create questions that need a short answer or an entire paragraph or more. You can allocate marks as well to each answer as required. In this section you see the total marks for the test, decide passing marks, number of attempts, shuffle, and duration of the test. Once ready, please click on Publish and Close. To see how the assessment looks like, once you click on Publisher Dashboard button, you can click on Delivery and then click on Start Assessment. Let us know if you have any more questions. And thank you for watching.